Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices into QuickBooks Online from Stripe step by step clearly. First, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Payments section on the left sidebar. Locate the invoices you need to transfer. Select the invoices you wish to export. Click on the Export option, usually found at the top right. Choose the format you want for the export, typically CSV. Save the exported file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Now, open your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, go to the plus New button located on the left-hand side. Select Import Data from the drop-down menu. Click on Invoices to start the import process. Choose Browse to locate the CSV file you exported from Stripe. Select the file and click Open to add it. Click on Next to proceed with the import setup. Map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Ensure that all necessary fields are correctly mapped. Once everything looks good, click on Import. Wait for QuickBooks to process the invoices. After processing, review the imported invoices to ensure accuracy. You can access them from the Invoices section in QuickBooks. This completes the process of transferring invoices from Stripe to QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.